We have a piece of ABS pipe that is broken off flush with the surface of the concrete here, and to repair it we're going to drill it out using a 2-inch ram bit, which is used on 2-inch ABS or 2-inch PVC. They make different size bits for different size pipe, and this will drill out the pipe itself. It's made to ride the inside of the pipe and cut out the outside, and we're going to go down far enough that we're into the next fitting where this pipe glues in. You got to clean it out periodically and keep drilling until you get down into the next fitting without going past the next fitting. If you have an elbow, you don't want to come out the other side of that elbow and ruin the next fitting. So we're about a 1/2 inch into that 90 that's down there below it. So we'll glue up the pipe and slide it in, and that'll be a simple repair on this. And be ready with a board and a mallet and pound it down in until you get to the mark that you've made. And it's a simple repair. I hope you find that useful. Appreciate you watching. I hope you like and subscribe.